The levy for the Wenatchee School District supports all music. That involves all music teachers in the whole district, K to 12. It involves all our instruments, all the instrument repair, all travel expenses for different competitions and performances, and all curriculum and supplies. Music is a subject where all the different subjects interact. It is, to me, the interdisciplinary subject. We have language development. So we're going through lyrics, we're going through how different words sound, how to project. Every day in music we have math. Every time we're tapping or playing rhythms on marimbas or on our bucket drums, we are using fractions, we're using science. We have to try things, we have to go through trials and then evaluate what we've listened to, analyze it, figure out what to do differently. So we are using the scientific method. What's special about especially elementary music that I enjoy teaching is that I see all the students in the school. For some of these students, it may be either their introduction or only chance to play a marimba or play recorder or play in the strings program. And so what I love about having music in the school is that it does let every kid have an opportunity. Please remember to vote on February 11th.